Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quiche without cheese. Many people enjoy quiche, but some prefer to avoid dairy or simply don't like cheese. This recipe focuses on building flavor and texture using other ingredients, ensuring your quiche is still incredibly satisfying. We'll explore how to achieve that classic creamy consistency and a golden brown crust, all without a single shred of cheese. Get ready to bake a truly unique and delicious quiche. To start, you'll need a good pie crust, either homemade or store-bought. For the filling, eggs are essential, of course. Instead of cheese, we'll use a combination of plant-based milk, like unsweetened almond or soy, and a touch of nutritional yeast. This yeast provides a cheesy, savory depth without any actual dairy. Fresh herbs, sautéed onions, and your favorite vegetables will complete the flavorful base.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. And speaking of things that last, quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough. They come with a lifetime warranty, which is almost as good as a perfect cheese-free quiche. You can find the link to these amazing socks and other deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
First, prepare your vegetables. Sauté onions, garlic, and any other hearty vegetables until tender. This step is crucial for developing deep flavors. In a separate bowl, whisk your eggs with the plant-based milk, nutritional yeast, salt, and pepper. You can also add a pinch of nutmeg for warmth. Gently fold in your cooked vegetables and fresh herbs into the egg mixture, ensuring everything is evenly distributed. Once your filling is ready, carefully pour it into your pie crust. If using a raw crust, you might want to blind bake it first to prevent a soggy bottom. Bake your quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 50 minutes. The quiche is done when the center is set and the top is beautifully golden brown. Let it rest before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.